Okay guys, hi, welcome to Cooking with Jake and Kyle. Did you know 9 out of... Welcome to Cooking with Jake and Kyle. 10 gamers are actually... Alright, I don't know how to work a charcoal grill, by the way.
Lighter fluid, they probably don't have a lighter. But you know what they do.
Oh, now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. We don't know how to work a charcoal grill. Say hi, everybody.
No.
All right, we got Tyson trying to get the grill going. How's it going?
Welcome to Cooking with Jake and Kyle. Today we have something special for you because it is the 4th of July. I'm about to fuck up some burgers.
Hell yeah. This is the Cookout edition of Jake and Kyle.
I don't know what Independence Day is, but I'm feeling pretty independent because today I'm the fucking chef.
Hell yeah.
First, I've got to wash my hands.
Okay.
Smash cut.
All right, y'all remember that washing your hands is very vital before cooking. Here at Jake and Kyle, we like to be sanitary when we're serving your food.
We have right here the best area for hand washing. It's very sanitary, very clean. That slight smell of piss, that's just... very important not to touch the handle with your freshly clean hand.
Careful.
Need that lighter.
Where did you get a cigarette from?
The fucking store.
Yo, if you don't smoke a cigarette, are you a good cook?
No.
Exactly.
Make sure you ask.
Look who's here. It's the cigarette party.
Is that why you've been all grumpy all today? I was like, oh, let me get Cane's for dinner for myself. But she was like, let me get some too. So she ate a Cane's meal on top of that. Banger.
All right, we're preparing the hamburger meat.
Ain't that looking delicious?
Oh yeah. All right, we need 7 patties, chef. This shit is dirty.
It's a cluster fuck.
All right, chef, explain to us this process.
Well, basically, you take a big blob of meat in your hands and you start rolling around. You really start working it. And there you have yourself a patty.
Everybody, we promoted the sous chef to junior chef. Can everyone congratulate him in the comments?
Well, there's no pay raise and my hours are the same, but I get yelled at a lot more. So, there's pluses.
Guys, look, it's an ant. Hi, ant. Hi, Miss Lavita. Say hi. All right, chef is putting them on the grill. Wait, do we have a spatula? Guys, you bring a knife? Hey, she got a knife.
Yeah, Josh, why don't you have a knife?
I have a knife. It's just, I have a knife. It's just a knife you don't want touching your meat. We're gonna eat with this.
What I really need is some goddamn paper towels.
Oh, heck yeah. The smoke is blowing towards Dez. All right, chef, how are we looking here?
I'm just fucking around.
No rhyme or reason? Okay, stop smacking the meat, buddy. So, junior chef, explain to us this venting process here.
Putting in the smoke and the charcoal builds a little bit of flavor, or at least that's what I feel.
So you don't know what the fuck you're doing?
I know what the fuck I'm doing. We forgot to ask people for salt.
Oh. Damn, okay, chef, it's getting a little smoky here.
I know.
They look done.
Yeah, we're good.
They look edible.
They're
You
edible.
definitely won't get food poisoning.
What's more important is we need to find some salt.
All right, get your sodium, fellas. God dang. Brother's trying to kill us. He's trying to make our arteries shut down. Well, look how juicy the meat is.
That's because it's not cooked yet.
Oh. Look at this water buffalo right here. Very majestic water buffalo.
Pepper jack and cheddar.
No. So like I just put it in there for 5 minutes just to so I can watch it, right? And as it starts to rise slowly, I whisk it again and I put it back in. Because what it does, it literally goes into like a donut style. It literally just rises up like bread. And so you whisk it. Huh?
You're losing everybody, Tyson.
No, and then I put
You're
cheese.
losing everybody.
Then I put cheese and then yeah, it's good.
All right, so chef, while we're waiting for the meat to cook, why don't you tell us about what happened last night?
I woke up in a hotel room. I had no idea what the fuck was going on. My pants were scattered on the floor. The lights weren't on. I didn't remember my fucking name at all. Like, at all. I had a headache. I was sleeping comfortably in the darkness of oblivion. I had to fight with my inner demons to even want to move. But eventually, my limbic system convinced me that, yes, the world is full of scary ex-wives. It's not worth it, but I came back.
You were married?
Yes, there was a brief time where I was married. Some poor woman looked at me and said, I want to marry that.
Then what happened? You woke up from your hangover.
Well, I had to find my pants.
Okay, that was
Apparently,
objective
I threw
number
my
one.
shoe out of the window.
Okay.
I broke the window. It does. Allegedly. I was getting my necktie. It spoke to me a little bit. I popped out the door. I spoke to a woman. I gave her the look.
What kind of look?
It worked horribly. She laughed her ass off. So it was a win. Just like these burgers here that look like they're not done. Just like she was not done. Laughing at me. But she thought I was cute in a Lady and the Tramp, that dog almost got run over kind of way.
What?
So after that, I went downstairs, argued with the bartender, our kitchen manager a little bit. Because,
Right, he wants to be called the kitchen manager.
yeah, because he's not behind a bar serving drinks. Allegedly, I broke a window and a fence and drank $70 worth of wine. I did not. My partner, Kim, was very disappointed in me.
And wait, you have a partner?
Yes, my partner, Kim. My partner in crime, in stopping crime.
Kim.
Of Revachol, yes. I met a nice lady in a wheelchair. I wanted to have a wheels in the leg man situation going on, but that wasn't happening.
You wanted to recruit a lady in a wheelchair?
Yeah, I even gave her the look. But she was married.
What kind of, what, that's...
Married for 40 years now.
So when did she lose her legs?
I don't know, maybe always. Maybe she never walked. I didn't talk to her much. Anyway, I went outside. I didn't have to go here, but I went up the stairs. I talked to this very eloquent man who didn't want to work, and then I found out there was a racist blocking the gate. So I walked up to this racist with like 6 groupies around him. I was like, hey man, let me through the gate. I'm super cop.
You're a cop?
Yeah, surprising. I didn't know that when I woke up, but apparently I'm a cop. I still don't know my name at this point. I'm walking up to this guy. I'm like, hey, I need to get there. He asks me why. I don't know, and he called me a degenerate. My body go to alcohol. I've let my body go, but not that much. You've given into the alcohol. Fuck you, I didn't give into shit. Oh my God, I'm giving into flavor though. Look at Flavor Town. Jesus fucking Christ. Look at that. You know they're good when they're still floppy. No.
Oh,
That was fucked. It's okay. We'll leave it like that.
Ah!
Juicer. Where was I at?
What did he look like?
He was about 7 feet tall, full of tattoos.
God.
Just every inch of them covered. And he kept talking about the master race.
Wait, he was a neo-Nazi?
He was a Nazi, yeah. He was definitely a Nazi, but he wasn't even the race that he was holding up.
Oh, so is that a form of self-hate?
Yeah, I was like, brother, you're repping for colors that are not your own. He was like, I don't care. I'm the peak of my race. I'm like, okay, good for you, dude. And I punched him in the throat. Because after punching him in the throat, I tried to hit him in the throat again. I lost. He grabbed my hand, crunched that shit, and tried to make me say, I'm a degenerate old alcoholic fuck. I'm not that old, guys. I'm only 47. So after I refused to call myself a degenerate fuck, came back, and then I tiger kicked him in the face. and knocked him the fuck out. It only took me 6 tries. But that was my instinct. I should have done it in the first place. Always trust your instincts.
Where's
folks.
Kim in this?
Kim? He was standing behind
Kim
me.
is a guy?
Yes, Kim is a guy. 6 steps behind me. And when I got into the fight, I'll give him this. He did reach for his gun.
He has a gun?
He has a gun. He can't
Why
shoot
didn't he-
for shit, though.
Why does he have a gun
He can't
then?
just be killing racists.
Why don't you have a gun?
I lost it.
Why did
Brother,
you-
I woke up not remembering who I was.
Why didn't you just
I
grab?
lost my name.
Why-
And I lost my ex-wife.
Why didn't
I
you-
lost my name, my ex-wife, and my magical talking tie.
What? Why didn't you grab Kim's gun? They'd be so bad at shooting.
I can't just point a gun at everyone who gets in my way, and plus I didn't think about it. If they gave me a gun, I'd be pointing it at everyone. And this was before I punched the kid in the face.
Wait, you punched a kid in the face?
Yeah.
Face?
I didn't punch him in the face because he called me a homophobic slur. I punched him in the face because he's a drug addict loser and he needed a
He called you a homophobic slur?
Yeah. Him and his little twin that he's fucking.
Wait, what? He's fucking his own twin?
Hi there. Yes, I punched a child in the face.
Oh my god.
He was a bad child. But after I punched him in the face, I connected with this boy. After he
Yeah,
tried
you connected your knuckles to his face.
after he tried to frame me for diddling him.
What?
Yeah, the motherfucker immediately. I was like, "Hey, bud, do you see anything about this murder?"
So wait. You punched the kid in the face not because he called you a homophobic slur, but because he's fucking
I
his.
punched the kid in the face because he was an asshole. You're 12 years old and you're already on crack. I'm punching you in the schnoz.
So what's this about him like fucking his twin?
Yeah, he's fucking this girl that looks exactly like him, and I think she stabbed somebody in the forest. I'm not in a good part of town right here.
Clearly.
Yeah, I'm having to fight 12-year-olds.
Wait, so you punched this 12-year-old before or after you talked to the wheelchair lady and the neo-Nazi?
After.
Okay, so you.
Well, I punched the kid before I hit the neo-Nazi.
Okay, wait. So you go from trying to recruit this wheelchair lady, to punching this 12-year-old,
Yeah.
to fighting the neo-Nazi.
Yeah,
All after you just woke up hungover.
yeah, and I found out I'm a super cop.
What does that mean, dude? What is happening? Whoa! Watch out! It's dripping down the back.
All over your finger. Oh my god.
Oh goodness.
Yeah, just get it all over his $1,000 paddleboard. How much was the paddleboard?
It's only 200.
Only 2. That's tempting. I didn't say I wanted that. People be like, why
Hey, Unc.
you want my bag?
Hey, Des, how's the burger?
It's alright, I put too much ketchup and mustard on it.
Oh, okay. So did the junior chef do good, or do I gotta beat him? You need to beat him. Junior chef beat today.
Tyson, I can ask my mom.
All right, Unc.
She's not bragging. She's your second.
I was told there's something on my burger before.
What's on your burger?
I don't know.
Oh, hey, how's the burger, man? Dude, look at how small the bag. Yeah. Rate on a scale from 1 to 10. Condiments? It's on a scale.
It's on the scale. I'm hungry. I'll eat it.
It happens.
Uh-oh, the chef left the paper on the cheese.
Junior chef.
Junior chef, you're right.
You get
know your
junior
place.
chef.
Good job.
You get junior chef quality when you pay junior chef shit.
Fellas, cut up some watermelon here. Yes, sir. Delicious, huh? Man, that's good watermelon. You chose well. So Junior Chef chose this watermelon. Props to you. I'm giving you 10 extra cents an hour.
Yeah, I'm up to 10 cents.
She said, I really wish you would get your
Delicioso.
can.
I got you.
Delicioso.
It was an eventful day at the lake. We learned a few things about ourselves. 1, we need to make bigger burgers. 2,
You had an eventful night, huh?
yeah, don't punch children just because they're on crack.
Yes, correct.
Punch them because they're little assholes and homophobic.
It's always okay to punch a kid if they're being homophobic.
I reconnected with my Navajo ancestors.
What?
I felt the spirit of the eagle flow within me. And I'm not even 1% Native American. So, really, I think that says more about the world than it says about me. This has been Chef Josh, signing off for Cooking with Jake and Kyle.
Wait, Chef Josh, one more question before we go. How often do you assault kids, though?